Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Today we are going to learn nouns and English grammar. You all must have heard about nouns. Noun is nothing but names of person, animals, places, things, ideas, and feeling. It can be any naming word. Example: Amit, cat, Bangalore, chalk, friendship, victory, etc. In short, any naming word, any, that is called as nouns. Let's see about types of noun. Altogether, we can see 5 types of noun. First is proper noun. Secondly, we have common noun. Thirdly, collective noun. Next is abstract noun. And finally, material noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Now, one by one, let's know what these kind of noun mean. Let's start with proper noun first. Proper noun is name of a particular person, place, thing, institution, etc. In short, it is a name which belongs to specific person or place. Example: Pilani, Reena, All India Radio, Taj Mahal, etc. So there are certain rules by which you can identify it as a proper noun. First of all, every proper noun begins with a capital letter. See, above we've written all these examples: Pilani, Reena, Taj Mahal, all these begin with capital letter. So we can identify easily that these all are proper nouns. Secondly, they do not have plurals. You can't say Pilani's, Reena's, or All India Radios. That's wrong. So they are singular, they do not have any plural. And finally is, they don't take any articles before them. A and the. Proper noun don't take any articles before them. So by these 3 rules, you can identify proper noun easily. And there's also one game I'm going to tell you. You all must have played it some or the other day. Make a column of this sort: serial number, letter is, that is alphabet. Make name, place, animal, thing, and score. Every column scores 10 marks. That is, name, if you write correctly, you'll get 10 marks. Place, 10. Animal, 10. And things, 10. Altogether, 40. So out of 40, whatever you score, you can write it over here. For example, like serial number 1 will write. Letter, if I give you L, so you can write name, Leena. Place, you can write London. Animal, you can write lion. And in thing, you can write leaf. So this way you score 40 and you write 40 over here. So next alphabet, you can give R, S, like you can give any alphabet, and any number of students can play this game, right? So I hope you have understood proper now. Now let's move to the next one. Next we have common noun. Common noun, it is a name used for every person, place, animal, or thing of the same time. That means whatever you're naming, it should belong to the same category. Example: girl, it could be any girl. If I say Leena, if I say Anju, that is proper noun. But if I say girl, it could be any girl. School, city, if I say city, it's a common noun. But if I say Jaipur, Bangalore, Delhi, that is proper noun. River, etc. So these are all common nouns because they refer to a particular thing of the same time. Next noun we have in the list is collective noun. As the name suggests, collective means a group. It denotes a group of similar thing or person. A group of anything. And it is often considered as singular noun. It is in a group. There are many involved in it, but the group is one. So it is considered as singular noun. Example: a gang of robbers. Robbers are many, but the collective noun used for robbers is a gang. A gang of robbers. A school of fish. So here this is collective noun. A pack of cards. So a pack is collective noun. So collective noun refers to a group of similar things or person. The next type of noun is abstract noun. This is a very special kind of noun. It refers to a quality, state, idea, or experience. It is not a thing which you can touch. The things we cannot see, smell, hear, taste, or touch. You cannot touch it, you cannot hear it, you cannot smell it, but you can feel it. A kind of noun which you can feel it. Example, sadness. See, you can't touch and see sadness, but you can feel it. Fear, honesty, love, etc. These are all abstract nouns. Last but not the least, the type of noun, finally, it is material noun. As the name suggests, it refers to any substance things are made of. Example, gold, it's a material, sugar, wood, water, etc. These are all material nouns. Let's recap it. Noun refers to any naming words. There are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. I hope you all have understood this. Let's see the examples. I am from Pilani. Here Pilani is proper noun. Her mother is a doctor. See, doctor is a common noun. It can refer to any doctor. A pile of clothes was kept on the bed. So here pile is collective noun. Her honesty impressed me. Honesty, you cannot touch it, you can feel it. So it is abstract noun. This chair is made of wood. So wood here is material noun. So happy learning, children. If you have any doubts, you can contact anytime.